last full day in Amsterdam because tomorrow we're going home. What do you want to do today?
I don't feel the need to put it up myself.
Buy what?
Klumpen.
Klumpen. Shoes.
Life, you
Okay.
can either look at something or you can shoot it. You can't do both. What are the drawbacks?
Look like. So today's our last full day. We're moving to another apartment near the Negen Straatjes. I mean, in around the Negen Straatjes.
Wait, when are we gonna go home tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 7. So today's our
7
last.
a.m., 7
No,
a.m.
7 afternoon PM. Today
So it's our last night.
yeah, our last night here. So what do you want to do?
So I wanna.
Because I think Javanna wanted to buy a Klumpen, the Dutch shoes. She said it doesn't matter if it's made out of glass or it's made out of wood, but as long as it's a Klumpen.
I'm very picky, so I would not do that.
Okay.
I'm like,
It's okay.
I want it to be comfy, like
Okay.
the soft ones that Omi has.
Oh, the soft ones.
Yeah, the soft ones.
Like the squish, like made out of pillows.
I kind of want to go back to Ripley's, believe it or not, but I already did it.
It's okay if you want it.
But I'm a little scared of the museum thingy.
Okay. How about Madame Tussauds?
With you.
You wanna? Yeah, why not? You wanna go do that?
Third time. Yes.
Okay. Checking out from the boathouse, that boathouse right there.
Where are we going to? So we're here and
That's it.
Madame Tussauds.
After
What?
after my dad's pancakes and puffertjes.
Tours and tickets. You can just ask for the ticket. Remember? So we're here in the Maringus shop, and we're gonna go to Madame Tussauds after this.
You see, to go to Madame Tussauds, camera is a necessity.
Yeah, it's
Never
like a big.
go to Madame Tussauds
Never go to Madame Tussauds
with a low battery camera.
But if your camera is full battery, then bring a backup. And you can never go to Madame Tussauds if you don't have any stuff to take a photo with, because you must take a photo
Okay.
with the famous people.
So that's the tip for today. Bring your camera and make sure your camera has a battery in it.
Or if it doesn't, you
Bring
can
a backup.
So we can either get the family one, which is 81,
Okay. How did you know?
because I go to Amsterdam.
Okay.
And then if we go to the Madame Tussauds and the dungeon, it will cost 28 for stuff, you know.
Oh yeah?
And then
Pinter banget, eh.
and then 37 for parents. 28 for kids. I don't know. I just saw. Do you want to get tours and tickets, or we just go straight to Madame Tussauds? So my dad's going to the ATM. So we're gonna go now to Madame Tussauds.
Yan na, keren banget yung orang lihat.
Hi, we're at the Madame Tussauds. The kids wanted to come here for the third time, but it's the first time for me and Pat for this trip. We went there before, but
mom just arrived, and this is from Milano, and this is what she bought. It's one bag, but it's ginormous.